I am super excited right now, but also super like on edge. Don't know what to really expect right now. So foldables are supposed to be the future. Oh wow. So we got the G8 the G8X ThinQ right here. But they gave me the damn, it looks like I went to Staples and got the plastic wrap aisle. Look at that. Then you get the dual screen right here. So let me just show you that. Put this off to the side. Okay, then we have a screen protector here. That's pretty random. Put that right here. I don't like the smell of this. This is going in the garbage immediately. All right, so let's take a look at this box right here. It's the G8X ThinQ, it looks like. It has that labeled right over top. Now it looks like this was open before. There's no tape on here. Meridian DTSX LG Boombox Edition. That's awesome. LG has the best sound. Well, not the best in the world, but they have some really unrivaled sound when it comes to their speakers. So this is what we're getting. Let me flip this over. Bow. That's everything that's going to be in the box. So let me just put everything right here so you could see the presentation. Let's work our way over here. And this looks like the original packaging. Let's go ahead and see what we have here. We lift this up. You get your accessory packet. A SIM tool right here for removing the SIM card and SD card. LG's very own manual and SIM tool here. Kit. You get your installation guide and LG Pay guide as well. So this thing has LG Pay on it, I believe. Everything's in another language, so I'm not sure if that's gonna be a big deal or not. The phone is right here in this sleeve, it looks like. Okay. That looks pretty cool. It has two cameras here, the LG G8X. When I put my fingerprint on there, you can kind of see it right there. That looks really good. So right here, you can see air motion, hand ID, crystal sound, OLED, Google Assistant button as well. It's got a little screen protector right up top. And we're gonna power that on while we look inside of the box. So I'm gonna put this to the side right now. You also do get your Type-C wall adapter, the charger if it's fast charging. Oh wow, this is cool. You get some headphones with some earbuds on them. And these are actually the Bow, and I think I've heard of this company before. Let's put these off to the side anyway. All right, so now we have the phone here, screen protector for the phone. And what's this? Let's see what's in here. This is sealed, so there's no way to get. LG VS ThinQ. G8X ThinQ is where the tape I cut, but then on the box it says, I guess they ran out of packaging for the G8X dual screen. Wow. Let's see what is inside of here. Okay, so we have, it says how to install dual screen. You put it on there. 1, 2 clicks. How to remove it. So there's like a 2-click mechanism. So this actually looks really nice. Let's go ahead and peel the tape off of here. Here is an adapter for the charger. Let's put this here. Some more reading instructions as well for how you use that as well. So let's put this right over here to the side. Let me put this down. So the size isn't actually overwhelming. It's a nice size, nice weight to this device as well. Let's go here, second screen, enter SIM card. Let me just skip that because I'm not ready to do that right now. Okay guys, time to set up the fingerprint sensor since I don't have any security except for my pattern on here. So all you'll do is go right here into security.
See
You can see the screen on the outside is cool because that gives you the time, date and day and stuff like that. Oh wow, so this one actually came on too. Oh my god, this is crazy. Hold on. Okay, so this is nuts. So you have YouTube here. Okay, click back. This screen works as well in unison with the other one. And you can go ahead and put this up just like this and use it when you're in YouTube, but I'm not signed in on anything yet. Here's a button right here to show the screens. It says swap screens, show main screen on dual screen, put main screen on sleep, and turn off dual screen mode as well. So you get all those different options. You can see the back of it has the camera arrangement here. It's not too thick either. It's pretty slim when I compare it to something like the ZET Blade V Smart. Let me just see. It's about one Blade V Smart plus a Type C port as far as the width, but fingerprint is right here. Well, this is the power button. That's not how it looks on the screen. It's blinking when I'm looking at it, but it's not really blinking in real life. Really good. This is like a mirror. I could kind of look at this like a mirror. That's pretty cool. Then on the back, it's like a leather material, and it shows the whole camera in this box cutout. Open up the phone and you get both screens right away. You could put it pretty much at any angle as well. So I do like that. It's really cool. And when you're ready to close the phone, it has a really nice pop to it. But this is just the unboxing, guys. I'm gonna do way more videos on this device. This is the LG G8X ThinQ. Hopefully you guys did find this video helpful in any way possible. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. But thank you guys for staying locked in with me, and I appreciate every last one of you. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, depending where you are. Later, crew. Peace.
C. Butler.